Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my Lego warship. Here is the tower. These are the gun. This is the new one. This is the new one. Here and here, just gonna get something. And these are two guns. And here there are two guns. There are four guns. This is a missile. And this is a gun, and another gun here, and another one here. And here there is this, but the helicopter, I forgot it. And this is another gun. And this is here. This is how it looks. I'm still gonna see if it's gonna float or no, but I love it. It took me like 1 day to build, and it took lots of pieces. These are because it doesn't sink. And this part, and there was an anchor here, but it broke. I mean. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Write in the comments if what do I name this? Bismarck or anything you want. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Next video there is gonna be a RC warship, and I wish you love the RC warship, guys. And this, don't forget to play in Roblox, Naval Warfare or World of Warships. And then the next video is gonna be about my RC warship. And here it is. 4 guns, 1 strong gun, or 4 guns, 1 missile gun, tower, 4 guns here, and 1 gun, and a helicopter, where the helicopter lands, and this is a gun. And this one, I'm gonna think if it floats or no, but I think it's heavy, so I'm gonna take some. This is the new one, some Lego pieces. This is the new one. I wish you love it. Bye guys, see you later. I wish you loved this warship. Don't forget, if we get lots of views and subscribers, I'm gonna make another one but bigger. Bye guys. And don't forget to see my other video about what was it called? Me and my brother making a tower with cups, with coffee cups, I mean. And don't forget to see my next video about my RC warship. Bye guys.